Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries ProtoTRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill model Sport B3. This machine was retrofitted with a ProtoTRAK KMX, or upgraded and retrofitted with a KMX Control in 2022, and we're going to run it for you. Again, you have 3-axis. He's running the X right now. You have a 10 by 50 table with 30 inches of X travel. That's your Y. Your Y has saddle travel of 17. And you have 23.5 of Z. Again, you have ball screws and separate motors for those 3 axes. When you move the QUILL, it also does the math for you when you move the Z there. So either you move the entire head up and down, or the QUILL, it does it knows. He's running the spindle. The spindle's very quiet. You have up to 5,500 RPM, 4,200 RPM. That's 2,200. That's 2,200. Okay, this machine has a NST 40 taper spindle. That's your brake. It's going into low gear. That's your low gear. 175. You have up to 500 in low, I believe, or yeah, 500 in low. That's 350. So you heard the spindle go in low and high. You've seen the axes move. You've seen the QUILL. Now this machine does have a nice assortment of tooling with it. Also, one of the tool holders accepts collets, and we have the collets as well. Hey, come and watch it for yourself in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching the video.